Hi! In this video, I'll show you the basics of the menu editor. First, let's create a menu category called Pizza. Inside this category, we can create menu items. We create the first item, Pizza Prosciutto, and set the price. We can create a second item, Pizza Margherita. For this item, we can create two different sizes, small and large, with their prices. To edit or remove an item or category, simply move the cursor over the item and then click on the icon. You can sort the order of menu items with a simple drag and drop. You can do the same with menu categories. If there's a dish that you're not serving every day, you can hide it without removing it from the menu. At any time, you can preview the menu to see how it will appear for your customers.